Hi, it's Pixel Heart, and today I am going to be testing out these brand new paints that I got. They're called Golden Acrylic Professional Paints. So this is the first time I've gotten professional paint. So I'm really excited to see how it looks in person. I'm used to seeing other people make videos about this, so I'm really excited to actually see how this is gonna turn out. This box comes with 6 different colors and just the basic set, but I really think that you can like build anything with this by mixing them. They have all the primaries. So we got white, black, green, blue, red, and yellow. So this is the box. And then this slides open. And then these are the sizes, like the size of my finger, basically. But they're a little packed, but these are like, they'll go a long way. So it's good to start small and then like work your way up. And I'm really excited to play with these and see how they look on paper. Hi, so this is all the colors mixed up, and the pigment is insane on these. It really is like buttery and creamy. You could tell like these are the professional paints to be using, and I really enjoyed them. I can't wait to play, and just from some of the colors that I've created here just shows that just buying a couple of the primary colors you can utilize them in so many different ways and make so many different beautiful projects with them.